There is an outbreak of energy in your life. A situation has escalated and you don't know how to handle it. But this situation will teach you something, and you will walk away from it wiser. You will go on some sort of journey, a quest within yourself. You will take a step back from the world to work on yourself. You will find balance between giving and asking for in life. Exchanges will go more smoothly after this time alone. I do see this journey of yours being about your workplace. Contracts will be made, your relationships with coworkers will strengthen, and you might even make it to partnership or partner up with coworkers regarding work environment. Either way, your work on yourself would show you the way further. Courage and self-confidence will emerge from this work you have done on yourself.